Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to write SEO optimized blog with ChatGPT step by step. So please watch the video till the end. First, you have to add an extension AIPRM to Chrome. This helps you to add a list of ready-made prompts to ChatGPT for SEO content writing. So first of all, step 1. We'll select topic from here. I'll select copywriting and then I'll scroll down and click on blog post title generator. Here I'll select the language, I'll select English, titles to write, I'll select 10 and enter the title of my blog. I'll write healthy lifestyle and press enter. So these are the titles for my blog post. I'll select one. I like this one. I'll copy it and paste it. Now I'll click on new chat and select SEO. After clicking on SEO, I'll select on human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. Now I'll paste it here and press enter. After clicking, you can see it has generated our content. This is how you can write SEO optimized blog with ChatGPT. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.